Eamcet 2020 rank calculator. So most of the students are confused that I got so and so marks in Eamcet 2020. What will be my expected rank? So in this video I am going to show you how to calculate your Eamcet 2020 expected rank. So make sure to watch this video completely without skipping any part. So before starting with the video, if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. So this is the website where you can calculate your Eamcet 2020 rank. So the link of this website I will be providing in the description. By that you can directly check your Eamcet 2020 estimated rank. So after coming here you should have to scroll down. So here you can find Eamcet rank calculator. So in the first box you should have to enter your Eamcet 2020 marks. So for example I am entering here 90 marks. Then in the second box you should have to enter your AP intermediate points, which should be less than or equal to 90. These intermediate points you can calculate by doing sum of grades of all the subjects of first year and second year, including practicals. But here you should have to consider practical as one subject. So for example, in physics practical you got 8 points and in chemistry practical you got 8 points. So you should have to do sum of these grade points, means here it will be 16. Then you should have to divide 16 by 2, it will be 8. So like this you should have to calculate your intermediate grade points. You should have to do sum of all the max 1A, 2A, 1B, 2B, physics, chemistry of both years and practicals. Then it will be less than or equal to 90. So here I am entering 80 grade points. Then you should have to click on this button calculate. So after clicking on this button you can find your Eamcet weightage plus intermediate weightage score. So here the score is 62.18. So if you are an engineering student then you should have to check in the first box. So if you are an agriculture student then you should have to check in the second box. So I am checking for the engineering. So here our score is 62.18. So 62.18 will lies between 61.08 to 67.08. So the rank of this guy who got 62.18 score will lies in between 5000 to 10,000. So like this you can enter your respective MCET marks and intermediate points and calculate your Eamcet estimated rank 2020. So that's all for this video. Make sure to share this informative video with your friends and family members, and if you have any doubt just comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching.